Holmes. Hey nerds, Fury Rider, bro. And today we're driving to Durango. We're not even there yet. We're still in Nueva Mexico, bro. I'm with Miss Fury. She doesn't want to show her face yet though, so we're gonna go spend the day in Durango. So not a traditional moto vlog, but whatever, bro. It doesn't even matter, Holmes. You know? Nerds, it's Fury Rider, brother. We are in Durango and we're going to a pizza place, me and Miss Fury. Miss Fury says that it's pretty quaint here, which I guess is cool. Is that cool?
Yeah, that's very gnarly.
It's very gnarly. I want to get you a present.
No,
Yeah, from Colorado. Yeah, it's quite quaint.
So the Stratter Hotel is like straight ahead. It's that round.
That all sick building?
Yeah.
The building's all sick.
There's a little bit of history as far as the Stratter is. A little girl died there and she still haunts the place.
Okay.
There was some criminals that hijacked a bank nearby. This was a while back. I'm not sure if it's 1950s or 60s. And they stayed on the second floor, which is actually one of the rooms that I stayed in, and that's the room they hid out in. So that was pretty awesome.
It's pretty awesome. Hopefully all of that was caught. And it's Cowboy John.
Oh, and this is the saloon on the right side, where I had 2 martinis and I was kicked out.
Miss Fury got wasted and was kicked out of a hotel. Got it.
We'll never have martinis again.
We're gonna have all kinds of martinis at this hotel. guy's riding a bike and a skateboard. All sick. We're gonna grab some pizza. Brother. We are at the pizza place. It is Father's Daughters. What is this one?
Oh, I forgot the name. Aldi something?
Aldi Hall, alcohol. And we're gonna get a calzone and pizza. Check out those big old slice of pizza.
We might have like some extra pizza too.
I already took a bite. So the pizza was delicious. Highly recommend it. Now we're just gonna walk around downtown Durango. See where it takes us. Ain't that right?
Yes.
Okay. So, hell yeah. Alright nerds, so we're heading back to Albuquerque now. Had fun with Miss Fury. We ate some good food, walked around, got her a birthday present. She already knows. So, and now we're going back. So I might film some footage of us driving back, and then I guess I'll say goodbye when I get to Albuquerque.